Hello traders, it's Yanis here from Nikos Trading Academy, and I would like to welcome you to another weekly results live video. This time I have chosen some funny, let's say, looking pairs, not straightforward movement, but some wedges, some ranges, so we can see how we can also make money out of this kind of movement. We will start with USD CAD, and you can see that this was a wedge. Actually, it is a wedge. And at the beginning of the week, we had a really nice retracement after a bounce. Price started moving our way. That was also an entry with a conservative approach with like 20 pips already win-win scenario. You might have been stopped out after this, but of course, next possible scenario would be bounce trading. We have explained many times the way and what to do on wedges or in ranges. So what you have done here, taken some incremental profits, re-enter with some bounce trading strategy, and again 700 pips with an APO of 20 pips. Sorry, 70 pips. But again, it would be a win-win scenario. Then again, once more, bounce opportunity, again like 17, 20 pips, 90 pips, 100 pips, and on and on. And you can do that the whole time, again and again and again. And you can see that you have another opportunity. Price, what we need is just focus on what the price is doing. We're not trying to guess anything here. We just read the history. So on USD CAD, you have gone long once, short twice, long 3 times. You can do that. So I would say it's more than 120 pips within this movement here. I'm counting only 2 positions. This is like 50, again somewhere from here, 60, 110, even from here 180, and if you had gone short, 50 or even more than 120%. So if you think market is not volatile, it doesn't matter. You can focus on different kind of strategies. We can switch now to Euro Yen, and again this is one of the trades that we said it's gonna be late, but price is doing the same thing again and again. You see retraces to 36 EMA, creates some indecisive movement, and then go short, again short, again short. So we entered here with 50 pips, and we already had our win-win scenario. We took 100 pips already here, and of course we just stay in this trade, and this would be a classic trend continuation trade with twice our APO or 2% if you want to. On GBP New Zealand dollar, we had our classic approach. We were waiting for our opportunity. This is an M24, of course. We have traders going for swing trading. This would be like 80 pips starting from here. You already have your win-win scenario. Price is already 200 pips, and you can see now price is still going. This is my last position. My last position is going for 260 pips, and like I said, we are already with 200, and also we took another late entry after our trend line broke, and this is like again 2 times our APO in our winnings. On Euro GBP, we had a very powerful movement. Some of you are already and still in with last position 200 pips. We took a late entry here when we saw another retracement. Price now is 100 pips with an APO of 30. Again, more than a win-win scenario. Again, 3 times our APO. Well done for those that are following the rules and keep a very good money management. We had a similar approach on Euro Aussie. Again, APO with like 50 pips, already win-win scenario. We saw volatility, we saw price giving us nice movement. We already have our first target here, and this is where we are going for. This is our win-win scenario. So just stay in. Remember, last position is the one that makes the difference. And let's go to our last pair. GBP Aussie was in a range. We saw price respecting support and resistance, and again with a nice bounce opportunity with the strategy that we have already explained. With an APO of 40 pips, price has given more than 2 times or 2% my account. Again, price was short. Another opportunity here with a pending order 50 for this is like 80. Many positions here, many trades, and you should already be still in with your last position going short for 140 pips. We do have, let me show you, we do have still positions running since the beginning of the month on 7th, 15th, yeah, that's why even from 24th of April, we are still in, no problem with that, just stay in. Remember, pending orders, again for bounces, ranges or wedges, and more than 900 pips only with these pairs, more than 15 times, 15% our winnings. So you can see that it doesn't matter what price is doing as long as you have a nice system and strategy to choose from. Thank you very much for watching one of our videos. Have a great weekend and see you again tomorrow morning in our live room with our top-down approach. Bye bye everybody.